Hey everyone, want to create storytelling videos with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your ideas into AI-generated stories step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new video project using the AI video creation tools. Next, plan your story and break it into different scenes. Think about the characters, locations, actions, and emotions you want to show. Now choose text to video asterisk or image to video asterisk to create your scenes. Write detailed prompts for each scene. Include the characters, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, and visual style to help Luma AI create consistent results. Generate each scene separately and review the videos to make sure they match your story. Next, organize your AI-generated clips in the correct order and add voiceover, music, captions, and transitions using a video editing tool. After editing, review the complete story and make any final improvements. Finally, export your finished video and share it on YouTube, social media, or other platforms. And that's how to create storytelling videos with Luma AI. With creative ideas, detailed prompts, and good editing, you can transform simple concepts into engaging AI stories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.